Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I got for Christmas. This was hands down probably the best Christmas I've ever had. Ever. Well, no, that's not true. When I think I was 10 or 11, I got a tape recorder for Christmas, and that was just about the best thing that could have ever happened to me. So apart from getting the tape recorder, this is the second best Christmas I have ever had. So before I show you this item here that I'm holding on to like a baby, I'm going to give you a little backstory here. It's pretty quick. When I was 11 years old, I had a friend that lived next door, and she was my best friend. I used to go to her house every single day. Most of those days we would cook or we would bake. Her mom had a KitchenAid mixer, and I loved it, and I always wanted one, and anytime I would go to her house, I would come up with some excuse to use the KitchenAid. So from then on, I have wanted one. Never took the plunge. I don't know why, but this was the year, and I finally got one. The man bought me a KitchenAid mixer, and I didn't realize how heavy they were. I probably should have just took the camera in the kitchen instead of bringing this in here. He was actually like, don't drop that. He was like, carry it like a baby. I said, of course. Look, isn't it beautiful? I am so excited about this. I've already used it. I've made mashed potatoes in it, but I definitely need the shield for it because at one point there were mashed potatoes flying all over the place. They were like bing, bing everywhere. There were mashed potatoes everywhere, and I even started off on the lowest setting. But this is you know, something that I've wanted for a very long time, and I'm very, very, very happy to finally have it. So I'm gonna put this on the floor because it's actually hurting my leg. All right, this next item, this was a holy crap, I can't believe you bought that. I had no idea, was not expecting it, somewhat forgot about it because I didn't think it was gonna happen, but he did it. He got me a GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 5. This thing is awesome. I've already used it. It just, the film, the imagery, how wide it films and how much of a room it gets in, and especially like when you're outside, like this is going to be perfect for my car vlogs. And he also got me the mount for the car. So what's cool about this is if I want to mount this to the outside of my car, I can do that and drive up to 150 miles an hour before this sucker would fly off. Now I wouldn't do that, and I probably will never ever put this on the outside of my car, but if I wanted to, I could. And also, I think it's 33 feet. I can take this underwater. So this coming summer, definitely going to Tybee Island, and I'm definitely using my GoPro so I can get some underwater footage. But I was so, when I opened the box, I was like, get out of here. I was like, I couldn't believe what I was seeing. I mean, I didn't think it could have, I mean, the KitchenAid was it for me. Like, if I wouldn't have got anything else, I mean, I would have been over the moon. I am over the moon. But then when I opened this, I was just like, what is happening? I was so excited. So I got that. And then this was something that I wanted to, and had made repeated stops at GameStop to try to find this game, but couldn't find it. But my kids found it for me. The Friday the 13th game for Xbox One. I already played this. I actually played this during the week, the day that I was sick. I was so sick, you guys. I had a fever, body aches, chills, everything associated with that. It was horrible. I actually fell asleep in Wyatt's bed playing this game. But if you're into video games and you're into horror and you're a lover of Friday the 13th, definitely check this game out. I think it's pretty awesome, and it's really easy to play too, which is nice for people like me because I'm not the best with the toggles, you know? I'm old school. I like the little pad that you push up and down and to the side. Yeah. Okay. And then Joshua got this for me, this game. I've wanted this game. I saw a video, I don't know, was it last year or the year before, of people playing this game on YouTube. And I was, I mean, literally crying laughing because it was so funny. It's called Speak Out. And I'll actually insert a little clip here of me and the boys playing this game.
Trash. Trash. Trash.
Trash? Trash. Trash.
Trash.
Trash?
Fresh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clean.
Clean?
Clean.
Clean.
Clean?
Clean.
You're saying clean.
You said it 3 times in a row.
Clean.
Clean?
Clean. Clean.
Clean.
Glean?
Clean.
Glean?
Green.
Clean.
Cream?
Wait, Slim, say it.
Clean.
Cream.
Clean.
Clean, right?
Cream.
Korean?
Keep going. We'll see if we can figure it out.
Sheets.
Sheets?
Sheet. Sheet.
He's trying to use his
It
hand.
sounds like a fresh, clean sheet, right?
Sheet.
Sheep.
Sheep?
Sheep.
Okay.
Fun.
Say it again.
Fun.
He can't talk.
Fun.
Gone?
Oh my God. You can't spell shit out.
He's crying.
Wait.
The.
This is awesome. You put this mouthpiece in. It's, oh my God, you guys, it is ridiculous. Before we even started playing, I put a piece in my mouth and I could not stop laughing. Joshua actually filmed me with the piece in my mouth. I couldn't even, like, I couldn't speak. I almost peed my pants. But look at what it does. Hold on, let me get out of there. Look at what it does to your mouth. Isn't that ridiculous? Oh my God. And it's kind of scary too because all you can see are teeth. And then you start drooling. You guys, we had the best time playing this game. Like, I can't wait to play again. But it's fun. This one is kids versus parents. I would like to find cards that are just, you know, regular cards and not kids cards, because the kids cards are really easy. We didn't even use those. Like, Wyatt didn't even use them. We just used the regular stack. But if you have a group of people and you just really want to laugh, and I mean just like belly laugh, that laugh where your stomach muscles are killing you, but you can't help it, you need to keep laughing, get this game. It's so worth it. And then Mikey and his girlfriend. She's like my kindred spirit. We have a lot in common. We like a lot of the same things. And so, as if Christmas wasn't already awesome enough, they got me these two things, and I have two places where I'm considering putting these, but I'm not sure yet. But you guys, take a look. Is this not, like, this is just, and they're so heavy too. Like, I'm kind of worried about how I'm gonna hang these. I mean, seriously, I couldn't have got a better gift. Like, this is just, this screams me, you guys. I mean, seriously, like, come on. When I opened this, I just sat there and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, I opened this one first and I thought that this was just the only one in there. And so I was like, oh my God, this is awesome. My stupid battery died. But anyway, I don't know where it cut off. So I'll show you guys up close again. Aren't these just, here, we'll do one at a time because I think it's a little bit blurry. Isn't that just, I just think it's the coolest thing. Check that out. But they're really very heavy. So I think I know where I'm going to put them. I think I'm going to put them above my horror collage over here. But this, I couldn't have, I mean, she knows me. She knows me well. And I haven't even known her that long, but she knows what I like. Because we're, like I said, we're very similar. And they also got me two bath bombs, which I've already used one. This one is pink jasmine and strawberry. It smells amazing. It's from Bath and Body Works. And then lastly, Joshua's girlfriend, I think this is not facing the right way. She knows that we're like into aliens and ghosts and stuff like that. So she got me this necklace. It says believe in yourself and aliens. And that's what it looks like. I think it's really cute. I like that a lot. So anyway, that is it. That is what I got for Christmas. And I'm done blabbing. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Have a great day, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye.